We have a range of different techniques available in Oxford. Here at the fMRI B Centre we have MRI scanners, which are particularly powerful ways of looking at the fine spatial structure of the brain, taking really detailed pictures of what it looks like, also getting some insights into brain function and vascular function. One of the very important things about brain imaging as a technology is that it sits in a very sort of special space among the different methods that are available to us as brain scientists. Brain imaging allows us an insight into the sort of microscopic level structure of the brain, but it's something that we can take in people while they're living. So it means that we can acquire these images really quite quickly and easily in living people, whether that's single patients in a hospital, whether that's populations of hundreds of thousands of people. But then importantly, because we're increasingly understanding what the basis of those signals is in terms of the microscopic level structure and function of the brain, we can then relate those measurements to what's going on in terms of the underlying biology. So it's a very, very special technology for allowing us to translate between neuroscience that happens in a laboratory and health care that happens in the hospital setting.
One of the key things about Oxford and neuroimaging is the range of things that are available in Oxford. So we've got all of the different techniques, fMRI, magnetoencephalography. There's quite a lot of interest in complementing those approaches with ways not just of recording from brain circuits but manipulating them as well. There's a lot of interest in neurostimulation techniques such as transcranial magnetic stimulation. Having all of those things together in one place makes it unique. One important thing for us is being close to some of the people who are developing the analysis tools that enable us to actually interrogate the data in the most up-to-date and sophisticated ways. So it's that combination that I don't think you'll find anywhere else.
The thing that makes Oxford really outstanding for neuroimaging is the people. It's a very encouraging and mutually supportive environment in which to do our research. The research that we do plays a part in our global effort to create new ways of treating and preventing diseases like Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. No one modality is going to fix those problems on their own, but I think that the work that we do contributes to that effort. And in particular, it creates the ways in which we can measure change. If we can't measure change in the brains of the people that we're wanting to treat, we're never going to be able to develop the treatments that can help.
I think Oxford is a great place for neuroimaging because we have a very large and dynamic community of people working across all the different levels of analysis in neuroimaging and in complementary methods that enable us to do work that's informed about the basic science at sort of cellular and circuit level, and also informed from the clinical side from clinicians, so that we can do our work in the middle in order to translate basic science into the benefit of patients in the best way possible. We have potential to change things, I think, in the education and ultimately also in the policy realm. And honestly, I can't think of a more exciting place to do that than in Oxford, where we really do have the breadth and the sort of dynamicism in the community to achieve that really important next step.